Ofisa wote wa NTSA ambao wamekuwa mabarabarani, hawa wote sasa warudi kazi ya traffic iwachiwe polisi.
Ni ikinya rihimbiirio na njira nene ni Anyiti itemi matiganite magitongorio ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ukui mbunge-ini David Pkosing makiuga ikinya riu ni rikurehe utheri uramatini wa ukui iguru rigi wira wa honge itiganite iria hetwo mahinya ma kuramata ukui.
NTSA is it traffic, so there is a bit of some sibling rivalry and blame game being developed here. Administrative blame game. Is it NTSA? Is it traffic? And therefore we are likely to stay there without looking at the infrastructural problems of the industry. And that is why when the president said enforcement now is back to the police, I'm supporting it.
Pkosing uria no mbunge wa Pokot ya muhuro augite ni arathagathaga riendekithia ria mogaruku ma watho wa ukui mbunge-ini maria megutigira ria othe manyitikana na mahitia ma gucungira mitino ya barabara matikwirisha moko-ini ma watho ari matereba ene ngari oro ndumwe na maabitha a trafiki.
Kenyans have died because of problems that could be avoided, either prevented by the police or the CEOs of the SACCOs. Both of them will go to jail. NTSA will remain with standard and quality. And what I mean by that is that they are now going to tell us, they will continue licensing, and then they are also going to tell us what material, what standard and quality of material that we need to build, that we need to use to build our buses.
Onao matereba na atongoria cia maciani matatu ni maheibirie ikinya riu makiuga NTSA ndikoretwo ikimakuruhania wira-ini wayo na ningi ndikoretwo ikiruta wira wayo na njira igwete.
Tondu NTSA ona ko nirateithagia kumwe kuingi ni kumomorera momoraga tondu wa mbere ona nderagia nene matatu kana aria matumagira services ciao kumenya uria kurathi na mbere no ndu ungi tungenda kuga ti ati NTSA kana borithi riu ni matigirwo wira nio araika ni tukwenda guikara thi toikara thi tukamenya tuguthondeka itura riri atia kana tuguthondeka itura ria matatu atia.
Ningi ni mokirire maabitha NTSA makiuga ni makoretwo magikira mihaka ya wira uria ruhonge ruu ruombeirwo kuringana na gatiba ya bururi. Maya magithia na mbere mwari wa ruhonge rwa borithi Charles Owino ni ugete ruhonge rwa borithi ni meharirie kuoya wira uyu.
What the president did was simply to remove some kind of confusion that was existing with the coming in of NTSA, because police has been there for a very long time, and to come up with who takes responsibility for what. The truth of the matter is that police is a law enforcement agency. We enforce all laws and regulations of the land in this country.
The military ne ako implement na advise the government. Undu uria yagiriru ni gukorwo egika wigie ma uhoro wa barabara, mitino ya barabara, kweni power andu aria mena ngari no tiguka kumahura.
Nona gukiria ugu Anyiti itemi matiganite ni maugite he bata thirikari kugia na giikaro nao niguo gutigira thina uria ukoretwo gumire ruhonge rwa ukui ndunathi na mbere gwithegea na thengia matacukia maria thirikari ikoretwo gitacukia kugacirithia ukui. Ni ikinya riyukitio na njira nene ni Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa ukui makiuga ni riguteithia hari kunyihia mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo igumire mabarabara maitu kuona NTSA ni ikoretwo igikiruka muoroto uria yathondekeirwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njetago Kariuki wa Wachira.